Hey there, my friends. Today we're going on an adventure. No passport needed. We're diving into the vibrant world of Cambodian street food, right here in Los Angeles. Food is the universal language, and the Cambodian community in LA speaks it with love, history, and flavor. Think smoky grilled meats, fragrant noodle soups, tangy salads, and sweets that'll make you dance. Cambodian food is a symphony of flavors. Fresh, funky, and uniquely its own. Lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime, and the secret weapon, prahok, a fermented fish paste that brings umami magic. We'll walk bustling markets, meet passionate cooks, and eat a lot. I want you to feel the sizzle, smell the charcoal, and taste these incredible dishes with me. So come on, let's go eat. Our journey starts in Long Beach, a vibrant coastal city in Southern California. It's a place where cultures converge and flavors explode. We're heading to Cambodia town, home to the largest Cambodian community outside of Cambodia itself. This neighborhood is a cultural hub, a testament to the resilience and vibrancy of the Cambodian people. In Cambodia town, Anaheim Street buzzes with life, a constant flow of people, cars, and commerce. It's the main artery of this community, pulsing with energy. Khmer script adorns shop signs, a beautiful reminder of the community's heritage. These signs tell stories, inviting you to explore the unique offerings within. The air is thick with the scent of incense, a spiritual aroma that permeates the streets, mingling with the smoky allure of charcoal grills. There's a welcoming energy here, a sense of community that embraces you as you walk through. Smiles are exchanged, conversations spark, and you feel instantly at ease. Grocery stores overflow with exotic fruits, a vibrant display of colors and textures that tantalize the senses. These are the ingredients that make Cambodian cuisine so unique and flavorful. Jewelry shops gleam, showcasing intricate gold designs that reflect the rich cultural traditions of Cambodia. These pieces are more than just adornments. They are symbols of identity and heritage. And laughter fills the air, a soundtrack to the vibrant tapestry of Cambodia town. It's the sound of connection, of shared experiences, of a community thriving. The real magic? It happens on the weekends. On weekends, families transform ordinary parking lots, turning them into bustling hubs of culinary delight. These spaces become pop-up street food celebrations, a feast for the senses and a true taste of Cambodian culture. Grills fire up, sending plumes of fragrant smoke into the air, promising deliciousness to come. Pots bubble with savory broths and aromatic stews, each one a carefully guarded family recipe. And tables overflow with fresh herbs and snacks, a colorful array of ingredients that add depth and complexity to every dish. It's not just food, it's an experience. It's an invitation into someone's outdoor kitchen, a glimpse into their family traditions and culinary secrets. You see dishes made right in front of you, prepared with passion and skill. These are recipes passed down through generations, each bite carrying a story of heritage and family. Point at something that catches your eye, get a warm smile in return, and suddenly you're part of the scene, welcomed into the community with open arms. The sounds, the rhythmic chopping of vegetables, the tantalizing sizzle of food on the grill, the happy chatter of people sharing a meal, all create a beautiful, chaotic symphony that's uniquely Cambodia town. This is why I love to travel and eat. It's about more than just the food itself. It's all about the people, the connections, and the shared experiences that make a place truly special. So, let's dig in and experience the magic of Cambodia town together. The market's atmosphere is half the experience. Imagine the California sun, the sweet smoke of marinated meat on charcoal, and the citrusy scent of lemongrass. It's an orchestra of smells leading you from one discovery to the next. The sounds, spatulas clanking, oil sizzling, cleavers thumping, vendors calling out in Khmer and English. Laughter and conversation fill the air. It's pure happiness. Skewers of glistening meat, bubbling pots of curry, and tables piled with vibrant produce catch your eye. Vendors, often mothers and grandmothers, move with practiced grace. No fancy tables, just plastic chairs, curbs, and people standing, eating, and talking. It's informal, communal, and welcoming. Ask someone about their food, they'll happily share. Here, a delicious meal and a smile break down all barriers. If you try one thing, make it sach koang, the legendary Cambodian beef stick. Tender beef, marinated in lemongrass, garlic, galangal, sugar, and fish sauce, grilled over charcoal until smoky and juicy. The first bite smoky, sweet, savory, with bright lemongrass and melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. It's simple, but the flavor is deep, history and tradition on a stick. Always served with pickled veggies, green papaya, carrots, daikon. crunchy and tangy, the perfect counterpoint. The combo is a dance of flavors and textures. Vendors like Sathi start marinating at 4 a.m. using recipes passed down for generations. The secret? The marinade and the charcoal. Every skewer is a piece of family history, handed to you with a smile. This isn't just a snack, it's a legacy. And it's absolutely delicious. Grab one and you'll understand. Trust me. Let's talk noodles, the cornerstone of so many incredible dishes around the world. From Italian pasta to Japanese ramen, noodles hold a special place in culinary traditions, specifically Nomban chok, Cambodia's national dish. This isn't just any noodle soup, it's a culinary emblem, a taste of Cambodian heritage served in a bowl. At its heart are fresh, lightly fermented rice noodles. These noodles are the foundation, providing a delicate, slightly tangy base for the symphony of flavors to come. These noodles are then generously topped with a fragrant fish-based curry. This isn't an overpowering curry, but rather a nuanced and aromatic broth. The magic of the curry lies in its careful preparation, simmered with lemongrass, turmeric, and kaffir lime. These ingredients aren't just added, they're coaxed to release their essential oils, creating a truly unforgettable fragrance. The resulting broth is light, herbaceous, and deeply savory, a testament to the power of fresh ingredients and careful technique. It's nothing like a heavy coconut curry. Instead, it offers a refreshing and vibrant alternative, showcasing the delicate balance of flavors that Cambodian cuisine is known for. The aroma is intoxicating, a fragrant invitation to dive into this culinary masterpiece. It's fresh, citrusy, and inviting. The scent alone is enough to awaken your senses and prepare you for the explosion of flavors to come. The fun part? Piling on fresh garnishes, a colorful array of textures and tastes that elevate the dish to another level. Bean sprouts, banana blossom, cucumber, long beans, mint, basil. Every bite is a textural explosion, a delightful contrast of sensations that keeps you coming back for more. Warm broth, cool veggies, soft noodles, and fresh herbs. It's a symphony in a bowl, a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that dance on your palate. Vendors have made this for decades, passing down recipes and techniques through generations. They are pounding spices by hand for maximum flavor, ensuring that every bowl is infused with the authentic taste of Cambodia. In Cambodia, it's breakfast, a staple that fuels the day and brings people together. It's a vibrant, life-affirming start to the day. A moment of culinary joy that sets the tone for everything that follows. After tasting it, I get it. The reason why this dish is so beloved and deeply ingrained in Cambodian culture. Its comfort, complexity, and freshness in every bite. A culinary experience that nourishes both body and soul. Nomban chok is a hug in a bowl. A warm embrace of flavors that soothes and satisfies. Don't miss it. Seek it out, savor it, and experience the magic of Nomban chok for yourself. Ready for a flavor explosion? Meet bok lahong, Cambodian green papaya salad. Shredded unripe papaya is the crunchy base, pounded with garlic, chilies, and long beans in a clay mortar. The sole prahok, a funky, umami-rich fermented fish paste, sometimes with preserved crab. Lime juice, fish sauce, and palm sugar balance the bold flavors. Cherry tomatoes and Thai basil join the mix, all bruised together to soak up the dressing. The result? Spicy, sour, sweet, deeply savory, and satisfyingly crunchy. Every family has their own twist. Some sweeter, some spicier, some funkier. It's intense, refreshing, and wakes up your taste buds. The pounding rhythm is the heartbeat of the market. If you want to taste Cambodia's boldest flavors, this is the dish. Dive in. Dessert time. Cambodian sweets, or banh are a world of subtle, natural flavors. Think coconut milk, sticky rice, and tropical fruits. Less sugar, more nuance. Tables overflow with colorful jellies, puddings, and sticky rice treats. Try numchak kachan, a layered jelly cake with pandan and coconut. Chewy, fragrant, and beautiful. Or sticky rice with mango creamy coconut rice, perfectly ripe mango, a match made in heaven. My favorite, Sankhya Lapok, pumpkin custard steamed inside a whole squash, sliced into gorgeous wedges. Earthy pumpkin and rich coconut custard, pure genius. Cambodian desserts are simple, pretty, and deeply satisfying. They're the perfect sweet ending to a bold meal. Don't skip dessert, you'll be glad you tried something new. Sweet adventure awaits. The best part of this journey? The people. Vendors are more than cooks. They're artists, entrepreneurs, and keepers of culture. Many are first or second generation Cambodian Americans, sharing family recipes with pride. I met a family grandmother pounding papaya salad, daughter grilling beef sticks, grandson taking orders. 3 generations side by side, keeping tradition alive. For many, the market is more than work. It's community, connection, and resilience. Some vendors survived the Khmer Rouge, arriving as refugees with only memories and recipes. Now they thrive, sharing food, stories, and joy. Every dish is a celebration of survival and culture. Talk to the vendors. Ask about their food, their stories. The food feeds your stomach, but the people feed your soul. That's what makes this experience unforgettable. So, what are you waiting for? The world is full of incredible experiences just waiting to be discovered. Don't let another day go by without seeking out something new and exciting. The adventure is out there in Cambodia town, Long Beach. It's a vibrant community brimming with culture and culinary delights, a hidden gem waiting to be explored. It's a trip to another country, no jet lag, just incredible food. Imagine experiencing the authentic flavors of Cambodia without the hassle of international travel. A true culinary escape awaits. Start on Anaheim Street, between Atlantic and Junipero. This is the heart of Cambodia town where the magic truly begins. Get ready to immerse yourself in a unique cultural experience. Look for Cambodia town signs and follow the smell of charcoal. Let your senses guide you through the bustling streets, where the aroma of delicious food fills the air. The scent of charcoal is your beacon. Weekends are when the magic happens. The streets come alive with energy and excitement. Pop-up tents, sizzling grills, and endless flavors. A symphony of sights, sounds, and smells will captivate your senses. Prepare for a culinary adventure like no other. Bring friends, bring cash, and order everything you can share. The more the merrier. Sharing food is a communal experience, a chance to bond over delicious discoveries. Don't worry about pronunciation, just point and try. Embrace the unknown and be adventurous with your choices. The friendly vendors are always happy to help. The worst that can happen, you don't like something. But even then, you've expanded your horizons and tried something new. It's all part of the adventure. The best? You find your new favorite food, a dish that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. A culinary revelation that will change your perspective. This is what it's all about, breaking routines, trying new things, and connecting with people. Food is a universal language that brings us together, transcending cultural boundaries. The Cambodian community is sharing their culture and food. Go accept that gift. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to appreciate the richness of human experience. Support family-run businesses, have an adventure, and eat something wonderful. Your patronage helps these passionate individuals share their heritage and create lasting memories. And when you do, think of me and smile. Knowing that I inspired you to embark on this delicious journey will bring me immense joy. Because sharing food is sharing love. It's an act of generosity, a way to express connection, and a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Now somebody feed me. I'm ready for my own Cambodian food adventure. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.